Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of my collection. The most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, you guys.
Hey, there's Stan Lee.
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is cool. You get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into this trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
But what name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
Ah, that is correct.
Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, but you two keep it down over there. I know. They're so inconsiderate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic genetic experiment. Who wants to fight my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodent part.
And presto, the doors open for you.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete.
My dear friends, this is the moment I've been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking.
Yeah, let's go, Rocket.
Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got to roll.
Oh, they got out of the cage.
did nothing. You know, should not help us at all.